Here doing an epic unboxing of the Victorinox Farmer X. It's a bit rainy outside. Unboxing of my most exciting Victorinox knife so far. Before the farmer, probably this one is my favorite. The Mini Champ Alox, and then the Soldier with the one opening trick, and then the Ranger, but nice and dust proof. Now we have the Farmer X. I'm really interested about this because as much as I like the Mini Champ, something similar in a bigger package, that would be very interesting indeed. So this is the model number, Farmer Victorinox Swiss Army knife. This is a Victorinox Swiss Army knife model Farmer X 0.8271.26, and that's the barcode. This is the model number, the barcode. I like these small boxes, Swiss made. This is very few other boxes, they looked a bit like they were opened before, but this one looks really good, really nice. Maybe because it's more new. Made in Switzerland. That's the contact details. So let's open it and see what's inside. First time I open this. Interesting, the thunder. As I open the box, the thunder starts, but I think it was opened because these are supposed to be outside, but they're inside. Anyway, okay. Wow, it feels really super solid. Wow. And not much thicker than the Mini Champ. 3 layers. Because it's Alox, it doesn't have the scale tools, so that makes it also not so thick. Just a bit thicker than my Tinker. Okay. It feels really solid in the hand. These bolts, rivets, they feel pretty good. Wow. And here, no tools on the back. It's really very nice and solid. The ring, you can actually use this to break a window, a car window, I believe. You can force it like this part, but I'm not sure, so you write in the comments if you think it can do that. The rescue tool has the option, this window breaker. This doesn't look like the window breaker, but it might still do it. There is a thunder coming. It feels so solid. This is the Ranger on the left. Okay. And here, oh, interesting. There is nothing written here. I can engrave something here. So this is nice actually. Because there is nothing written here, I could actually engrave it. I'm sure you can order it engraved, personalized. But I like that. Feels really good in the hand. And also the silver, I like the silver for the Alox models. Don't know, it really feels like metallic. Solid. Any papers inside? I don't know if it came like this from the factory, but okay. Paper. Okay, I think it was like that. I don't know. Okay, in the shop you can open the knife, you can have a look at it. But the box looked really, it's new, I think, because it's a newer model. It looked... Okay, so let's see. I bought this brand new. I paid for it. It's not a sponsored video. I guess you realize that. Collectors for Swiss Army knives. Here we go. And bottle opener. It's the usual. These are the lubrication points. It's the same on the other models. Only that here there is no middle point there. There is no toothpick and tweezers. This paperwork is very generic. They should make it customized. Okay, let's see now. The tools look really solid from watching them from just before opening it. And these are the oiling points. Put mineral oil here or there. Okay. Open the first two, and this is, wow, powerful thunder. Oh, the owl, this reamer slash owl. It wasn't opened before. It's really powerful, wow, and sharp. I mean, comparing it to the Ranger, it's really like, and the way you hold it is also more convenient, because you can really dig for things with this. You can open boxes. Looks like this is gonna be my new unboxing knife, the owl of my Farmer X. Okay, I will be very careful with it, so I keep it sharp. And closes. Okay, I like the lip here, it's easy to open it. Easy to open. Yeah, it's the first time it's opened. No fingerprints on it except mine. My fingerprints. It doesn't say Officer Swiss on the Alox model. But the blade, it's really thick. Wow. Okay, so let's compare. This is the Ranger. Ranger versus Farmer. I think the Farmer blade, they are at the same distance now. The Farmer blade, it's a bit thicker. Trying to carefully close it. Yeah, this blade is thicker. Okay, what else we have here? The scissors. I think they're the same size. Ah, no. Is it? Yeah, it looks the same to me. Okay. Very solid twist. Very solid scissors. Okay. And what else is there? Cup lifter. Not locking, not like this one. Cap lifter on the soldier. The cap lifter on the soldier versus the farmer. It's the same, but this one locks here. The soldier is bigger. Same distance. Yeah, this one, and it also locks. But this is really solid also. It's pretty heavy, a bit heavy actually. So it's a bit. I would carry this in my bag maybe. This is good, great for camera, tripods. Can open and close tripod mounting points. They should call this the tripod tool, because it's really useful to open and close tripod heads, video tripods, photo tripods, and the can opener. Interesting ring. So there's a scratch here, but no, it's just oil. It's just the oil. Not a lot of tools on it, but they're all heavy duty, really. And the owl, this is my new unboxing knife. Unpacking, unboxing. The owl here is really solid, really powerful. So let's open it up. I'll start with the easy ones. Okay, and the scissors. And the knife. And that's all inside. There is one more. There is the reason why this is the farmer. Let's go back. And the reason why this is the farmer, it's the saw blade. How to get it out? Yeah, the saw blade is here. This is why this is the farmer. The saw blade will allow you to trim your garden, your field, tree branches. Pretty solid. Is it like the hunter, like the ranger? But the one here, the soldier is more threatening. Also, the soldier has this pattern, it's a bit deeper, I think, or it's the same. A really useful tool. These metal parts here, they might dig into your hand when you try to use it, especially these ones here. So you might need to use gloves for this, but still really nice wood saw, or plastic. You can cut plastic with this. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, my nail, wow, broke my nail. These springs are really strong here, that I broke my nail a little bit. Okay, and scissors. And the hour. I think a knife, and that's all. Ah, shit. Yeah. When I opened the knife, this saw digged into my finger a little bit. But okay, so knife should be forward, and then this, something like this. Be very careful with these. These are really sharp, very sharp tools. That's the inside, the springs. Yeah, this is the Farmer X. I was really not sure if I should buy this one, but I thought I'm gonna like it because it's an Alox model. I really like this simple metallic design. Very nice. Yeah, I think the Farmer X is really well packed. A little bit on the heavy side, but it has a lot of features. Best part about it is the heavy duty. It is heavy. It is a bit heavy, but it's also heavy duty. Thanks for watching. This feels much better than the plastic ones. Really solid.